Preciosa created a bespoke lighting installation inspired by a mountain San Michel. This fairy tale crystal structure is almost 12 meters in length and it's 6 meters tall, and the castle itself is 2.5 meters. Some of the technologies we used were developed solely to use in this project. The chandelier features exquisite hand-blown crystal elements. Their size is at some points at a production limit for hand-blown work.
The hotel project in Paris involves several lighting fixtures, but creating the crystal lighting castle was the ultimate challenge. Our lightkeepers had to create more than 70 different metal shapes to hand-blow the castle components.
At Preciosa, our mission is to connect people through light.